Hey guys, it's Corey from Corey Survival. Today we're going to be unboxing the month of March's SHTF Mystery Survival Gear. I asked you guys what you guys want me to do for the survival boxes or the subscription box because the Mystery Tackle Box monthly subscription got canceled, or I canceled it because they switched to the bass box, and I still kind of wanted the ice fishing box, but ice fishing is kind of done now. It's springtime, the ice is kind of melting, and it's just slush and pretty dangerous to be out in the lakes right now. So I decided to switch back to this. And I had a few of you guys who, honestly, more of you guys who seemed like you wanted to see the more of this. And I feel like a lot of you guys enjoyed this more than the tackle box one. So I think I'm going to stick with this one. There's a lot of funny stuff that happens to come up in this this box a lot, as well as there's a lot of very cool items in here. So, and it's very interesting too. Also, a lot of the new items that come in the box, I learned, honestly. I don't even know what they are, and it teaches me something new. So let's go ahead and get right in this box, guys. So let's dig right in here. So, in every box, we get the paper. Mystery Tackle Box didn't have the paper. Alright, let's find the card here. And I know this box has a card. The Tackle Box, they just had a little newspaper pamphlet. But yeah, so in every box, it tells you what's inside your box. I get the primary one. It's $20 a month, yeah, plus shipping. And there are 5 different items in here, all retailing up to $67.95. It tells you what would have come in the Pro box as well as the Elite box. The Pro box is $50 a month plus shipping, and then the Elite's $89.99 plus shipping. I honestly think the primary box is the way to go. Because if you think about it, if you get the Pro, you're only getting 2 extra items, but the whole box is retailing up to $112. And then if you get the Elite box, it's another 2 items added on to everything else above. What I would have gotten the Pro box is a waterproof Bluetooth speaker and an adjustable trekking grip pole. Okay, that's pretty cool. So it must be like a walking stick. And then a power bank card jump kit they would have sent me if I got the Elite one, and a survival paracord belt. So that's pretty cool. If you guys would be into that type of stuff, if you want, you know, more expensive stuff to be thrown into your box. But I personally think the primary one's the best. So the first thing in the box, it retails for $34.99. It is a tactical waterproof digital watch. Now let's see here. Might be in here. Box within a box. Yep, this is it. It's in a fancy little metal container. That's pretty neat.
Can I have that?
Yeah, you can use the container. Check out this watch here. I always have a hard time with watches. They usually never fit me because they're
You have pretty wrists.
They're the chain ones. You know the chain ones?
Yeah.
The chain ones always never fit me. But this one seems to be adjustable. Very nice. It's got a nice little light on there. I'm gonna have to adjust and set the clock and whatnot. But yeah, that is very, very cool. Tells you the day of the week, the date. There's a chime, there's an alarm. Stopwatch. Yeah, I'm gonna have to see there's instructions on here. Let me check the instructions to see what it all comes with here. So there's a daily alarm clock. There's a chronograph. Might have to do some research on what a chronograph is. Dual time, and then there's timer mode. That's cool. It does the hour, minute, and second. Huh. Okay. Very cool. I got a new watch. Very cool. Watch fits perfectly. Actually got a watch that fits my wrist. Alright. So up next in the box is a 3-pack of tactical webbing clips. I assume these are some more molly webbing or mole webbing clips. Right here. These look very useful actually. So these mole webbing clips, they're like carabiner style. Yeah. Heck, I could use these, definitely.
You're talking to me and not the camera.
I know, I know. I'll put these to use. I'll put these to definite use. Very cool.
Those are cool. They've got like a little...
Yeah, skull picture on there.
That's cool.
Yeah. And that retails for $7. Up next we have a 2-piece Wahoo killer knife set for $7. I assume that's this here. Oh, there's 2 knives in here. Oh. Okay. It said knife set, and I thought there was only one because I saw one knife handle, but there's 2.
Well, it's another one of those.
That's very cool. Let's check it out here. See what it all looks like. Looks like a little flare. That's very nice. Could use some sharpening. I'm probably gonna sharpen it. For sure. Let's see what this one up here looks like. Okay, okay. That is very nice looking. Seems like a nice sturdy fixed blade for sure. The blade is pretty thin though. You might have trouble batoning with it. You might not, it all depends, but it seems like a very, very controlled carving knife. Definitely, it could use some sharpening. Yeah, this isn't gonna shave my hair or anything like that. I'm gonna sharpen it, but heck, some new knives to add to the knife collection. So, very, very cool. And that said $7. Heck, okay. And I also looked up on the website. You can look up any of these items, and they are the price what it says that they are on here. So if the item happens to break, you can renew it. It doesn't even cost that much. So, heck, very, very cool. All right, so up next we've got a 2-pack of duct tape. Okay.
We just bought duct tape.
Some little mini rolls of survival duct tape. Heck, this will go in your survival kit. That'll work.
In case you guys wanted to know, Kira gets to have everything this month. It's all for me.
Yeah, no, I just gave her a 2-piece knife set. She thought the knives were really cool, and I'm like, heck, I'll just sharpen them up and give them to her. So I've got enough knives of my own. Trust me.
I like whittling.
Yeah, and Kira likes whittling. There's some really nice carving knives. So, but yeah, this will probably go to Kira as well, and do her survival kit. So that is very, very cool. That retails for $4. And then for the last thing in the box, we've got a multi-tool knife.
Ooh.
That comes in this little box here. And in each month, you normally get 1 to 2 different cutting tools. It all depends. Let's go ahead and check her out. It's a small little guy. So we've got here a Phillips screwdriver. Looks like a little, I don't know, bottle opener right here. It's got a carabiner clip here on the side. Oh. Okay, so there's a pliers here. Heck, these might be my new fishing pliers.
No, you'll lose them.
They're smaller. It's got a carabiner on the side so it can clip to my boat.
Could.
I don't know.
Could clip to your belt if you actually clip them and don't just leave them in the grass.
Hey.
He's on his 7th pair of
Yeah.
7th pair.
That's a little hard to pull out of there, but there's a little knife there. This is actually got some decent sharpness to it, actually. And then there's another one here. Oh, there's a little saw. And they all of them lock too. Oh no, they don't. Never mind. They don't lock. But yeah, comes a little saw, a knife, a screwdriver, bottle opener. I feel like there's more somewhere, but maybe not. Checking it out here. Oh,
Yes.
there's more? You see more? You sure?
Oh.
I think it's just a knife, saw, and a pliers, screwdriver, bottle opener, and a carabiner. That's cool though. And if you guys are curious about that, this retails for $15. So actually more expensive than the 2-piece Wahoo. I don't think I'd spend $15 on that. Would you?
I could get one with more tools in it for 15.
Right. Way more.
But then again, it's so hard to get things out. I can't even tell if maybe there's more in here.
Right.
I don't think there is though.
No, I think that's it. Alright. Well,
Still pretty cool though.
that's everything in the box, guys. Normally in every on the back of every card there's a survival tip, but there's no survival tip this time. It's just got an advertisement for their rugged ready wireless speaker that they got for sale on their website. $30 each. So it's got an FM radio built into it, 5 modes of play, Bluetooth, USB drive. You can put an SD card in it.
So no tip?
Huh?
No tip though?
No tip this month, no. That's kind of disappointing. That's okay. I got a new knife a few days ago. It was only like $10 at Walmart, but this thing is razor sharp, and I'm pretty impressed with how the handle is. It's very comfortable. It's a Camelus, I believe that's how you pronounce it. Camelus or Camtelus or something. I think it's Camelus. It's there on the handle. But it's got a rubber grip, as you can see here. But it's a full tang knife. This blade goes all the way through the handle. So as I'm holding on to this right now, this is full tang. And yeah, this knife is razor sharp. I feel like I can make some awesome feather sticks with this knife. So kind of got a little bit of an upgrade. So I would say so. I'm not sure. It's still probably cheap, but it's cheap enough for me to spend more money, or not more money, but more. If it happens to break, it's easier to replace. So I also looked at the blade. It's nice and thick, so I can baton some really nice sticks with this. Definitely do some carving, really get down with the backbone of this. I'm pretty sure I could scrape the back of this on a flint and steel and get a fire going, because this is a 90-degree angle here on the back. So very nice knife. I definitely recommend it if any of you guys decide you want to get a new knife or anything like that. $10, ain't bad at all. There's another Camelus knife they've got in their knife case up there at Walmart I kind of want to pick up, and that one's only $8, but that one also looks like it's full tang. So yeah, very cool. If you guys enjoyed this video and or liked any of the items I pulled out of this box, go ahead and hit that like button down below. Leave a comment. I love to hear from all of you guys. Keeps me motivated, and I love the constructive criticism. It's really cool. So kind of helps me think about what I need to do about my future videos. So, or not think about, but I guess things just to put in my mind, kind of, you know, twirl on a little bit. So I do stuff like this once a week, whether it be unboxings, survival tips and tricks, fishing, hiking, camping, anything like that. So I always do stuff like that, anything outdoors. If you guys are into that type of thing, hit that subscribe button down below. I'd love to have you guys a part of my community. And as always, keep living, keep fishing, and I will see you guys in my next video.